Creating a hologram is fast, easy, and fun to do. Today, we are going to show you how to create a hologram. First, after downloading the app, create your account. On your profile, tap on the Create Hologram button. Set your phone in portrait mode on a stable surface, preferably a tripod. Make sure to keep your phone stationary throughout the recording process. Make sure your device's sound is on and that you're using a Bluetooth headset for best audio quality. Follow the on-screen and audio instructions by stepping out of the frame for a background capture, and then stepping back into the frame to record your hologram. Make sure your entire body is in the frame, with even lighting across your body and no harsh shadows being cast. After recording, tap on the Stop Recording button. Trim your hologram to the preferred length and submit for processing. Once your hologram has processed, it will appear as an unpublished hologram on your profile. Tap on the thumbnail to add a background color, title, and description. Publish your hologram to view in augmented reality and to share with the world.